Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to manage inventory in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, first you will need to enable the inventory management. So to do that you will need to click on WooCommerce or to hover on it, okay? And after that you will need to go and click on the settings on the pop-up menu. Right then, you will need to go ahead and click on products option on the top of the page, and then just go and click on inventory right here. So I do want you to make sure to enable the stock management, low stock notifications, and out of stock notifications. And after that, just go and click on changes the blue color button. So still in inventory settings, and configure the low stock threshold. So for example, you can go with 0.5, and also the out of stock threshold you can go with for example 0, and you can hide if needed the out of stock visibility, so you can go and check mark it. And for the last option, you can go with always show quantity, only show quantity, remaining stock when low. For example, only 2 left in stock. That's one for 12 in stock. That never show quantity remaining in stock. And then just go and hit save changes again, okay? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.